Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make insane After Effects style transition in CapCut with glowing bars and a smooth shake effect. It looks super professional, but trust me, it's easy to do right inside CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then import your clips like this. Then find the exact spot where you want the transitions to happen, and then split the clips right there like this. And then that's where we will place our glowing bars and overlay layers. And now just let's add an overlays. And don't worry if you don't have it. I will leave a free overlay at the end of this video so you can screenshot it and use it yourself. Like this. And then adjust the size. And then go to splice. And then just choose overlay. Like this. And then place this overlay exactly where the split happens. Then trim or adjust the duration to match your transitions timing. For example, like on here. And next, just use keyframes to animate the opacity, make it fade in then fade out. That will create that smooth transitions between clips, like this. Just add keyframes, and then add keyframes on the middle, like this, and then add the start keyframes. Just make the opacity to 0, like this, and then add keyframes on here again, and then add keyframes at the end, and then lower the opacity. So it will look like this. Like this. Now let's make the color flow more dynamic. Just go to your first clip and then near the end, add a keyframes, and then add keyframes at the end, like this, and then add the last keyframes. Just lower the saturations. Go to adjust, and then saturations, and then lower it, like this. And then in the second clip, at the beginning, increase the saturations from 0 to 100 using keyframes again, like this. Like this. And okay, that's pretty much for the tutorial. The next step will be continue in part 2. So see you in part 2.